New day equals new video, and a few guys commented about doing a vintage bike, so
Here we go.
this is like the only really vintage bike we could find.
Besides that one. But
Yeah, we'll do this one first.
let's go. Get before shots.
Okay, so I don't even know what bike it is actually. There's no brand on it. Yeah, we know it's like a vintage bike, so what are we doing today? Just painting it, I guess?
And redoing the parts, putting them in like fuel or whatever, and
De-rusted everything.
de-rust all the parts. And
Yes, this is our first vintage bike.
so don't bully us in the comments saying we did it wrong.
Yeah, because they're a lot older than most of the bikes we have.
Alright, so let's get into the.
Montage of filming.
Let's go.
Alright, so now we got the parts. I guess we can start assembling.
So let's go into a time lapse.
Yeah, because this bike is crinkly, it's like rusted on. So you gotta like yank it off. Yeah. Make sure to keep the springs as well. They just sit inside. And there you go. Yeah, so after you get the quickness out, you gotta take the brakes out first because the brakes stop the wheel from getting out. So I'll be back soon after I get the tool. Yeah, so the wheel, I think you're gonna do that, eh?
Yeah.
So while he paints that and the rest of the bike, I'll just assemble the rest. So go to that. Okay, so to get the chain off, the easiest way is you just hold the chain to the side and then you just crank forward. I'll take the chain off, and that should give you enough slack to.
There we go. Let's get ready for the spray paint.
Yeah, so we have made a mess. We'll probably clean that up after we've done the frame, like while we're painting. So last step is to take the chain off. So I'll probably just break that quickly. Okay. And chain off. It's a bit rusted. We'll probably de-rust that too.
Let's go.
A few moments later.
Time to set out the painting booth. These things are holding 40 psi.
So we're now putting the bike together. We're not going to record it. It's going to be a bit of a surprise. So next clip will be us revealing it. So let's go. Alright, an hour or two later. Tell us a bit.
Who's gonna win?
It's like pedaling, and look how fast.
Nice.
Come on, you give it a shot. His first impression. Yeah, I know the seat was moving. Oh, it cruises, doesn't it?
I can't no handle it.
Nah. Whoa!
It's like liking too. Okay, so I guess that wraps it up for this video. Reckon we good, dude?
Yeah. Well, like, how much did we pay for this? It was a free bike.
Yeah.
How much in paying? Probably like $5.
10. Close enough, yeah.
$5-10 for that. Like, even though it doesn't fit us, we can sell it. And yeah.
Yeah, so don't forget to check out the Q&A we're doing on Instagram.
So
We'll do a separate video for that. So if you have any questions, ask us down there.
it'll be in a bike restoration video. It'll be like a little segment of it. So
Yeah, probably next one actually.
yeah. So leave your comments down below. Click here to subscribe to our channel and here to watch some of the videos. If that's if it works. So let's go. See ya.